In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Renderforest templates. Whether you're creating a promo, a slideshow, or a logo reveal, templates are the fastest way to get a polished result without starting from scratch. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can go from idea to customized project with confidence. First, log into Renderforest. Use your existing account to access your dashboard where all your projects and tools live. Logging in ensures your work is saved and easy to return to later. If you're on the home page, you'll notice quick links to different project types. From your dashboard, you'll have a clear path to start building right away. Next, click on Start with Template. This is your gateway to the full library of ready-made designs. The Template Hub is organized by categories, styles, and themes, making it simple to match a design to your goal, like product promos, explainers, event openers, or social media visuals. You can browse by category, skim through thumbnails, and look for a style that reflects your brand's tone, whether that's bold and energetic or clean and minimal. Take a moment to read short descriptions and check the general look and feel so you pick a solid foundation. Once you've found a design that fits, select the template you want to use. Choosing the right base will save you time later. Pay attention to layout complexity, animation pace, and the type of content it's built for: text-heavy, image-driven, or mixed media. If the style fits your message and the structure supports your content length, you're on the right track. Then open it in the editor to customize and personalize. This is where your story takes shape. Replace placeholder text with clear, concise copy that highlights your key points. Swap in your images, logo, or video clips, and adjust the color palette and fonts to match your branding. Many templates include scene-based blocks. Tailor each block with the right visuals and keep text short enough to read comfortably on screen. If music is included, choose a track that complements your message and doesn't overpower narration. Fine-tune timing so transitions feel smooth and your most important moments have breathing room. As you personalize, aim for consistency. Use the same color accents, align elements neatly, and maintain a coherent tone from start to finish. Small tweaks, like refining spacing or simplifying busy slides, can make a big difference in polish. And that's it. Log in, start with a template, select the one that fits, and customize it in the editor to make it yours. Happy creating.